What is the biggest challenge you find with 3D printing?
Well, definitely speed. The faster the machine goes, the more I can build.
The waste problem. Most multicolor printers on the market are wasting huge amounts of filament.
Materials is the biggest thing. So to be able to create more comfortable and stylish designs, I want a tool that can handle more complex materials at once.
Finally, all these problems have been solved. Introducing the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D Printer. A 3D printer that's faster to print, lighter on waste, and costs less to run. Our 4-tool head design skips wasteful filament purging, meaning you can do more with less. That is Snapmaker.
Because of the shape of this robot, I knew right away that it will not be easy to post-process and very time-consuming. But now that I have this machine, I can pull it off very easily.
With SnapSwap, 4 tool heads running different filaments are always on standby, with a new color or material ready to go in under 5 seconds. The result? Faster and more efficient multicolor prints.
U1 can also use special support materials that are super useful for complicated parts. And they are very easy to take off. So satisfying. The machine can support different materials, not just PLA and PETG, but also water-soluble supports like PVA, which make post-processing a lot easier.
This is perfectly good filament, and it's just wasted. I'm a marketing manager at Snapmaker, but also a dad. So, of course, we 3D print at home. But look at all this printer purge. I'm so excited we finally have a solution for you.
4 independent tool heads means no need to flush perfectly good filament. Just snap and swap.
With our machine, I can make as many cool toys and other stuff for my daughter. On top of that, it's easy.
The Snapmaker U1's filament management system automatically handles filament detection and loading. Just pop it in and watch it go. Meanwhile, automatic flow calibration uses a built-in sensor to measure the pressure inside the nozzle and dynamically adjust the extrusion flow to ensure ultra-high print quality.
With the app and the smart features, it really is a plug-and-play device. The whole family loves it.
With my designs, I'm trying to push the boundaries in fashion to innovate. But you can only go as far as your tool allows. Not a lot of 3D printers can handle TPU, let alone multicolor TPU. And the ability to do multi-material has really expanded what I can create. I think this bag is a great example because it goes beyond using 4 colors. Not only am I using them for style, I was also able to directly integrate a different material for the zipper. I would not have been able to do this before. And you'd be surprised how reliable a 3D printer with 4 tool heads actually is.
Our automatic calibration system calibrates XYZ offsets between multiple tool heads, ensuring seamless, repeatable accuracy every time you swap.
As a fashion designer, of course I also love shoes. And 3D printing is a great tool for personalization in general, but for footwear in particular. I'm just dabbling in shoe design myself, but I can see the opportunity. You can 3D print the outsole, the midsole, and the upper with different materials in one go. So I'm so excited to see what shoe designers are going to do with this machine. The Snapmaker U1 opens up this opportunity to explore new garment designs. And I can't wait to see what others will do with these tools in terms of footwear.
My whole family can create memories together. With U1, we can do all of this in a much more sustainable way.
With the Snapmaker U1, makers, cosplayers, and anyone with an idea can bring it to life faster and share it with your friends around the world.
Setup was easy, speed is unbelievable.
It can print high-quality multicolored models while using less filament and save a lot of time.
Multi-filament prints with no waste, no time lost.
My favorite feature is definitely the print speed that the U1 is capable of.
Now print fully assembled, even in multiple materials.
The Snapmaker U1 makes calibrating tool offsets so easy.
Snapmaker U1 changed the game.
Everyone over at Snapmaker, you guys did a phenomenal job.
No matter where you are in the world, we invite you to join us on this colorful journey. Get your Snapmaker U1. Back us today.
Hello and welcome to Snapmaker, home of the Snapmaker. I'm Blayne, and this is...
I'm Yuto, or aka 𝐥𝐢𝐯𝐞. I'm from Japan. I'm 3D printer enthusiast. And today I got invited by Snapmaker to introduce about U1.
That's right. We like to call it U1 with Yuto. Yuto, you are the organizer of the Japan Rep Festival, right?
Yeah. We did it for the first time in Japan, like official laptop festival in this June. For 2 days, we got like 1,500 visitors. So I'll call it a great success, and I'm gonna do it next year for sure. So if you're planning visit to Japan next year, you can use it as an excuse, you know?
Perfect reason to visit Tokyo. I'm really looking forward to it. And how can people follow you?
I'm mostly on Twitter, or I say X. So just follow me on Twitter, and you can get the latest information from me.
Fantastic.
And yeah, like tell us about Snapmaker's history.
Oh, I would love to. Hey, so Snapmaker is a 3D printing company that you're all probably pretty familiar with. We started in 2016 on Kickstarter with a fantastic little 3-in-1 device, the Snapmaker Original. The Snapmaker original combined CNC laser and 3D printing into one cute little device that we still love to this day. After a big success on Kickstarter, we then went back and in 2019, one-upped ourselves with the Snapmaker 2.0 machine, a bigger, more capable version of the same idea. After that, we started adding all kinds of cool add-ons, accessories, and new modules to the system to increase the ecosystem's viability.
I see.
That's right. Since then, we've also released the J1S IDEX printer, laser-only device, and of course, the gigantic and fantastic Snapmaker Artisan.
The super big one, right?
Don't you have one?
Yeah. I think that one is the largest in my house right now. Like it has like 400 millimeter, and like not only the dual nozzle extruder, but also the like some several option with lasers and CNC, and like durable enclosure and the super strong amplifier.
Awesome. Yeah, we think it's a fantastic device.
Yeah.
How did you first hear about Snapmaker?
I think that was around, like when the time I started buying like into 3D printer. Like during COVID, I was kind of get bored, so I bought, printer just to print a mask,
Cool.
And after that, I kind of wanted to have CNC as well. So when I checked out, I think that was 2020. Yeah. So,
Nice.
But that time I didn't buy it because CNC was not suitable for my apartment that time. So.
No worries. You need a lot of space for that kind of equipment.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Like, I want to ask a question. Like,
sure.
Snapmaker, I mean, of course, you have J1, but kind of stands for 3-in-1 printer brand. Like Snapmaker stands for it. But why did you like move on to the tool changer this time?
That's a great question that a lot of people are asking. How did we make this pivot, this transition? I think fundamentally, right, the 3-in-1 is really important to our history and our story, of course, and our brand identity. But the point is that we've always wanted to make machines that do more for people. And that means doing more for certain people and also just reaching a broader audience. So we have dabbled in the single function machines before with the J1S and the Snapmaker Array. And we saw a really cool opportunity here. With new open source software like Clipper and Orca Slicer, we saw an opportunity to jump to the head of the pack in terms of the software and firmware. What Snapmaker has always been really good at is the hardware. We were founded by an electromechanical engineer. So anything that clicks, zaps, connects, moves, I think we're really, really competent and good at building these kinds of things.
Yeah, I can feel that. Like I felt that like when I built the Artisan. Like it has like a bunch of positioning pins and so on. So it just like when I assemble it, just snap it on.
Yeah, absolutely. So right now, previously with the Artisan, you had a manual swap between tools. And so I think the jump from an automatic tool swapping is actually quite logical.
From manual tool head changing to automatic tool changing.
Exactly. And no matter what, our machines help make something wonderful. That's our core value, and that's what we're sticking with. Awesome. So I think we should take a look at today's agenda.
Yeah, like what we can learn today.
Yeah, what are we going to learn today? So we've just done our introduction, and then we're going to start.
We have 3 giveaways?
Yeah, that's right. We're going to do 3 giveaways. We're going to give away a ton of awesome equipment.
So like user has to stay in the live stream, right?
Yeah, they should stay in the live stream. They should comment. And they should watch out for the hashtags that they need to post to enter the giveaways.
And I think user has to snap a screenshot and send them an email, right?
That's it. When you win, make sure to snap a screenshot and share your account information to info@snapmaker.com. But in the agenda, we're also going to do a demo of the U1, and then we're going to do the live AMA and stuff like that. But first, lucky draw. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
What's your favorite F word?
Well, I say filament.
Filament. Filament's a great F word. I love that. So how about we do hashtag I want filament
Just
in the
drop
chat.
your comment right now. Just post hashtag I want filament.
Just do it. Drop it in the chat.
Drop your comment and you will have a chance.
Hashtag I want filament. 10 winners. Go, go, go.
Yeah, and like we're gonna select winner later, so just stay in the live stream. Don't forget to take snapshot of the screen.
and hit info@snapmaker.com. What's your favorite color of filament to work with?
I say black or like blue, green.
Black or blue, green.
Oh,
blue, green. I love. Oh, wait. Do you happen to have some black and blue, green filament right here?
So this is the same one that we're gonna give away, right?
That's right. This one is this SnapSpeed or SnapMatte?
Oh yeah, it seems this one is SnapMatte.
Oh, SnapMatte. Great.
Oh, this is SnapMatte.
What is the difference between matte filament and other types of filament?
I think this like matte is more like for cosmetic users. You know,
so it's going to look really nice on the outside.
Yeah.
The finish is going to have a matte finish, kind of
yeah,
like
that. If you need more on the strengths or like practical use, I think the SnapSpeed is better.
Gotcha.
I think.
So SnapSpeed is formulated to really take advantage of the speed of the U1, and then SnapMatte is going to have like a more refined finish on it.
Yeah.
And I think when users win, they can choose any color they want, right?
Oh yeah, like. Please don't forget to mention like which color you want.
Yeah.
You know, like you can check it on the like Snapmaker's website.
That's right. That's right.
Like how many colors? Like 10 colors, right?
We have 10 colors. We have 10 colors and 10 winners, which I think is that's actually my favorite number.
Oh, like do they have to pay the shipping?
No shipping. We're gonna ship it right to you.
Okay.
I think we're gonna airmail it actually.
Oh, that's cool.
You know what's funny? 10 is my favorite number.
Oh, like. And maybe you want to hear like what they're gonna print, right?
That's right. When they email us, we'd love to, or even in the chat, we'd love to find out what you're gonna. Oh, look at that!
The winner has been chosen.
We're gonna choose the winner. Great. Tell us what you're gonna print when you win. We love it. What are you gonna print with our filament? Who's our first winner? Let's find out.
So please be prepared.
All right.
The first winner is. Oh,
John Weingart!
Congratulations, John.
Snap a picture, email info@snapmaker.com and tell us what you want. Number 2. Who do we got here?
Fat Boy 1271. Congratulations. Snap a screenshot and send an email.
What are you going to print, Fat Boy? All right, number 3. Number 3 is who right now? Number 3 is Avi Schwartz. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Avi.
I like that owl on your Avi, Mr. Schwartz.
That's cute owl.
That's cute owl. I like owls. All right. Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who do we got here? Berthenmost. I can't really read that, but congratulations to Mr. B. Congratulations.
Don't forget to send the email. Colors you want. Yeah.
Email at info@snapmaker.com. That's right. All right. Who do we got here? Agent Storm, Steven. Brandon.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Brandon. Congrats.
Let's go on to the next
winner. Number 6. Who do we got?
Yep.
Who do we got? Who do we got? I have no name. The man with no name. Congratulations to the man with no name. So I don't know what your account details are, but email them info@snapmaker.com.
Number 7.
Number 7. Who's gonna win the Martin Vandenberg?
Congratulations.
Nice. Congratulations, Martin. Next one is gonna be Steve Young.
Congratulations.
Is that a motorcycle you're having? Nice. Congrats on the filament. Number 9. Number 9. Who's number 9? Ryan Lovell. Congratulations, Mr. Lovell. Congratulations, Ryan.
Send an email to info@snapmaker.com.
That's right.
So the final winner is?
The final winner.
No, we have 2 more giveaways.
2 more, sorry.
For the filament, final
the
winners.
Penultimate winner. Critical takes.
Congratulations.
Enjoy that filament, buddy. Enjoy that filament. #I want filament. And that's it. The lucky draw is now over. So why don't we talk about some updates to the Kickstarter?
Yeah. Like I heard you guys have like super massive success on the Kickstarter.
That's right.
Like one of the best.
The best 3D printing Kickstarter in history.
Congratulations.
Currently, we have over 16,000 backers.
Over 16,000?
16,000 backers. People are really pushing their support for the U1, and I'll tell you why. It's because we are communicating with the users and trying to build extensive trust. So, in our latest Kickstarter update, you can see test pilots, the beta testers, real experiences.
Yeah, I saw
with
some
their
videos on
machines.
YouTube.
Absolutely.
And like, what kind of, like to me, it was kind of interesting. Like for the first time to see, like users are saying like, my beta unit is not working. But
we have,
because it's beta unit, and
right.
it's really happens.
That's right. That's right.
But after that, like he swapped the module, and now it works okay.
Absolutely. So that's right. We have decided to take a policy of radical transparency with the beta testers and the real world reviewers. You might have seen some of these famous people on YouTube as well. And we encourage them to talk about how great the product is, of course, but also some of the problems they encountered and how our tech support.
Yeah, like if they find the problems, then you can like ship the perfect condition machines. You know, like there's some time to upgrade, tweaking.
We want to hear the negative experiences because it gives us more information for product improvement.
Oh.
Product improvement is the whole point of the beta test. These are not finished units.
Yeah, like if they only talk about good stuff, then like product will not gonna improve.
Exactly. It's not real, and what we want to do is let you know that we are collecting all this feedback. The machines are not in a perfect state, but that we're bringing them closer and closer to be ready for the final production.
So that more than 60,000 people can get the nice printer.
More than 16,000 will get a fantastic printer with all of the hardware, major hardware issues solved. So you can see right here in the Kickstarter update, product improvement notes. We have, for example, made a number of changes that will improve reliability. Right, we've made some changes to various parts. For example, the wiper nozzles are now being made with a stronger material. And we've been added a bunch of firmware updates and software updates as well. Also, some reviewers have complained about the plasticky panels on the side.
Oh, there you go.
We have improved the fit quite a bit. So the final production ones are being retooled right now. And we promise that all of the major issues will be solved, and it'll get to you in a fantastic state. And it'll only get better as we improve software and firmware through over-the-air updates. Absolutely. Absolutely. So why don't we talk about our stretch goals? We've been doing a good job.
So
how
stretch
good can we
goal is
do?
like the more backers
Yep.
at some point, and you're going to get extra, right?
That's right. That's right. If we hit $25 million, every backer is going to get a free PEI plate worth $29. Useful to have that extra one, right?
Yeah, it's always nice to have extra.
That's right. And if we hit 20 million, which I'm sure we will,
you're going to get the HueForge coupon?
You're going to get $10 off of HueForge. Any HueForge product, $10 off.
Oh, that's nice offer.
If you're buying HueForge Personal, that's going to be almost half off. But you know what? How much do you know about HueForge?
Like I personally have HueForge, and like HueForge is like you can make like 2D, 3D-ish, like super art, but you have to see it by yourself. It's kind of like, you know.
Yeah, yeah. I kind of want to know more, and since you already have HueForge,
yeah, but I'm not good at explaining this one.
Why don't we call Steve and have him explain it a little bit better?
Can we?
Let's call Steve from HueForge.
Okay, yeah, why not?
Let's call Steve from HueForge. I think this will be fun. Let's call
thanks.
Steve. Hey, there we go. Hey, Steve.
Hey, guys.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Really good. Thanks, man.
Good. Can you hear me? We're good?
I can hear you just fine. Can you hear me?
I can hear you just fine as well.
Great. Tell us about HueForge, and I hear you might have some exciting news as well.
What? There's a new one?
For sure. So HueForge is a tool that's been out for a couple years now, and it helps you to make exciting, really cool multicolor images without much waste and without many swaps or lots of time to print. So things like this was printed on a Snapmaker U1. I have one here. It came out really, really nicely. Also, this one I did on my Snapmaker. Came out really nice. Yeah, just tons of detail on that. Printed great. And a lot of people really enjoy printing them, but they either don't want to, they either don't have a multi-material system, or they, they just want more options. And one of the things that people have been asking for a lot, though, is to be able to print HueForge's flat. And I've kind of resisted that because HueForge is all about letting everyone print print a HueForge. So it's all layer swaps so that any printer can do it, whether you have multi-material or you don't have multi-material. It's just a simple pause and swap. That's always been something I've wanted. But now with printers like the U1 coming out, where it makes true multi-tool head, multi-material much cheaper, more affordable, and accessible, I decided it was time to dive into that. And so actually announcing today for the first time, coming by the end of September, will be FlatForge.
FlatForge
lets you do flat HueForge prints.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
So you can print them face down on the bed and you can get the holographic textures on them.
Wow,
that's gorgeous.
And you can also, if you can print them flat, you can also print double-sided.
Incredible.
So now on a system with an AMS or a CFS, this is going to make a lot more waste. It's going to take a lot more time. It's going to take more time anyway because you're printing this solid and thick. But on a tool changer, it's going to take a whole lot less waste and a whole lot less time than it will on another machine. So it's a really great option for printing these flat forges. This is going to be a paid plugin for HueForge. It's the first ever plugin for HueForge. And again, it'll be coming out by the end of September, hopefully right at 3D Printopia.
Wow, end of September. That's a perfect time for our backers to get their $10 off coupon. And they can use that on FlatForge?
If they can go to FlatForge, they can go to HueForge. Either one. Yes, absolutely.
Love it.
That's awesome.
So how much is FlatForge again?
FlatForge is going to be $15 as an intro price, and then it'll go to $20, but you should have plenty of time. $15. That'll be one time, no repeats. That'll be it. $15, pay it once. You got it forever, and you'll get updates forever.
Fantastic.
I think we have a link with some information as well. I've got a page on my website now with some FlatForge information. Again, it's coming soon, but it isn't going to be out until the end of the month. I'm still getting things all fixed and buttoned up and adding nice features.
Awesome. That sounds like perfect timing. So people will get their coupon when the Kickstarter ends, and then they can buy FlatForge and HueForge and start playing around with it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, for sure. And if they want to get, HueForge ahead of time and then just be ready for FlatForge when it comes out, that's a way to go, because you're going to get your $10 off either way.
Yeah. Awesome. We're really happy to support HueForge and make this, make this cooperation happen. We love your work, man. We really love your work. We do some beautiful things together.
Well, I'm excited
Yuto,
about the U1. I've been using mine here a little bit. I haven't had as much time as I'd like to use it, but it prints really well, and I'm excited to see what people make with it.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Yuto, do you have any special questions for Steve from HueForge?
Yeah, like HueForge also supports us. I mean, the Java Lab this time, and I think great thing is they collaborated together with some a Japanese user and made a Japanese translation this time.
That's right.
Yeah, more technology advancement and also localization together with community.
Yeah, that's what we
awesome.
want to do. Is we want to support the community and get out there, and I get to do what I love for my job.
Yeah.
So,
how many languages is HueForge available in now?
it is currently available in Japanese, French, and
of course English.
English, and
Chinese,
there's a partial
right?
translation. There's a partial German translation.
Oh, wow. Okay. So if you're out there and you speak a language and want to help HueForge, I think you're pretty open source about how you're accepting those translations, right?
Yeah, there's a GitHub page that you can actually get to a link from HueForge, or you can ask. I can provide that link, and it has the translation files that you would need to start with, and then you just use some free tools to fill them in, and then you submit them back to the repository. And then any user can get them now and install them in their copy of HueForge. They don't have to wait for me to do a release with new translations. So community translations are encouraged. You don't have to go through me as a center point. You just have to put translations out there, and people can add them to their HueForge as they want.
Like for those who are kind of new to HueForge, like some example you just showed us, I think what fascinates is like it only done by like 2 or 3 cars, right?
Yes. So this one was 4. I used all 4 tools.
Yeah. Like how many cars used for this one?
This is 4 colors. It's just a black, a red, a yellow, and a white.
Wow. The way that works together with the semi-transparent filament really makes the colors blend to just an incredible effect.
Yeah, the fact that filaments aren't totally opaque lets you just make a whole bunch of shades that makes it much more subtle and detailed than you would expect from a 3D printer, for sure.
That's great. So I think with our 4 heads even, you're going to be able to do some incredible, almost CMYK color blending, right?
It doesn't work quite. I mean, it doesn't work quite like that because you can't do multiple swaps per layer normally. FlatForge will, but you're still based off of original HueForge image. But you can do a lot of really cool stuff. And Danny has been working on doing more colors, and you can pause and swap tool heads and replace your colors and get more colors than 4 if you want more colors. And 6 is normally and often really a good number of colors. So 1 pause and swap of a couple of tools, and you're good to go, and you move on with your print. And because HueForge is layer by layer, if you're not using a color again, you can swap in a new one. Now, FlatForge, you are going to be basically at 4 colors because you're swapping each color multiple times per layer.
Cool. Good to know some of the technical details, and real pleasure talking to you, Steve.
Thank you for having me.
Good luck. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for announcing this product right here on the Snapmaker live stream.
Absolutely.
Have a good one.
You too.
Bye, Steve.
Bye-bye, Steve from HueForge. Bye-bye. Hey, fantastic, fantastic.
And yeah, don't forget to subscribe on Steve's social media and so on.
That's right. Follow HueForge. I think they have a Twitter X account.
I think they do, yeah.
And make sure to go check out shop.thehueforge.com. Great.
So, what will be the next topic?
Next, I want to talk about tool changers. Tool changers, tool changers, tool changers, tool changers. Why is everyone so excited about this word, this technology, the tool changer technology?
Well, I think the current market trend is a single multi-color tool head, like one tool changer, I say, or And with that, I think there's always pros and cons on the technology. You know, I think pro is like now people can print multi-color print super easily. Like people could do it even like before that, like few years back, but it was kind of it's not hassle-free.
Right.
But now people can do it easily. But the drawback is a lot of filament waste.
A lot of filament waste.
Huge filament waste.
On a print like this, how much extra waste do you think there would be just in a big pile on the side?
Oh yeah, like if I print this one with single multi-color printer, I'll have like this many waste, like more than the printed parts itself.
For sure,
but it's only this one is the waste.
That's right, just the prime tower, just the prime tower.
That's really awesome.
I think in total, for a relatively complex 4-color print, we are looking at almost up to 80% waste reduction.
80%, okay.
A lot less waste.
That's good.
No matter what, a lot less waste. That's right. And what about this guy you're holding here?
So the thing I'm holding here is actually like beta testers, the same models, like PL2, aka the tool changer unit. Like this is exactly the same on the machine, right?
That's right. This is the PR2 beta test units.
So
swapping.
This is like sturdy CNC base and the tool changer. Like, can I remove it?
Yeah. Why don't you use your hand, take it out, and put it back in?
Like this. Oh,
look at that. Feel that? Feel that strong magnet and that guide pin.
It's like fidgets. I like it.
Works really well, right?
So like, how long does it take to change the tool changer?
It takes 5 seconds to swap between tools.
Okay, only 5 seconds. That sounds like quite faster than like single color, multi-color filament.
Absolutely, and that means that when you're printing something that's multicolor or multi-material,
right?
Yeah, up to 5 times faster.
Okay.
Up to 5 times faster.
Yeah, and like, think about that. Single multi-color printer takes sometimes like 100 hours or more than that.
That's right. That's right.
And that means you have to keep the printer powered on, like heated bed, like heating all the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
That sounds like we can save some electricity bill.
Yeah. So we've done the research, and the power draw on the U1 versus like your normal competitor single extruder printer is almost the same. So the key factor that determines how much money you spend on electricity is just the time printing.
So now we can save at least the waste and the electricity bill. And I think the price point of view, like right now, other than U1, it's gonna cost like $3,000 on the market.
They're pretty expensive, or they're really complicated to build.
How much is it right now?
Right now, you can get the Snapmaker U1 for $799 on Kickstarter.com.
Okay. So what will be the normal price?
$999.
Okay.
Really good price still. But act early and you can get that 20% off.
So like by when it continues, like end of September.
Sorry, September 30th.
Okay.
The Kickstarter runs, so you can get that price $7.99 until 30 September. That's
awesome.
right. So ultimately, yeah, you're looking at up to 5 times less filament, up to 5 times faster, and you're going to save a ton of money when all is said and done. Absolutely, absolutely.
Nice.
That's why I think people are so excited about the tool changer technology and the Snapmaker U1 in particular. Speaking of, this is our hardware.
Yeah.
And our hardware is really good. But maybe people are curious about firmware and software.
Oh yeah, let's move on to it.
Let's go to the smart features. Let's look at the smart features. The smart features. All right.
So like, as far as I know, the U1 use Clipper, right?
That's right. It's a Clipper-based firmware.
Okay.
And I'm not super technical. Can you tell me some of the advantages of Clipper?
Well, I think speaking of Clipper, right, I'm not super technical, but in my understanding, yeah, it's supposed to have input shaper, right?
It has input shaper.
Yeah, input
absolutely.
shaper. Maybe like for those who don't know much about 3D printer or new to 3D printer, I say the similar one in our daily life basis is like a noise canceling earphone. You know, it cancels the noise. It's gonna do somewhat similar to the print surface. Like if you print at high speed, the surface we're gonna have, you know, like we call it linking surface, but like a wavy surface.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But input shaper is like a calibrate before the print and use that data to compensate the surface quality.
Oh, fantastic.
So user can get, you know, super nice clean surface finish, even with a high speed printing.
Oh, wow. Awesome. Cool.
Yeah.
What other smart features are we talking about here?
Then maybe pressure advance, maybe?
Pressure advance.
Yeah.
What's pressure advance?
Like filament does not comes out like straight from the nozzle, you know?
Yeah.
And like kind of need to, you know, predict how the filament moves, like how the filament will be extruded and so on. So it's kind of pressure advance will adjust, I say. I cannot explain well, but
so it can like it's going to read the G code ahead of time, and it's going to predict what will happen. And
yeah, kind of prediction, like
adjust
filament
the pressure.
movement prediction. Yeah, pre-extrude, pre-retraction, that kind of thing.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So we're going to get smoother prints all around with a number of technologies.
Yeah.
What about my accuracy? What do I need for my accuracy? I'm going to need some
I say then mesh bed leveling.
Mesh bed leveling. Okay, great.
You have it, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So
like
we have mesh bed leveling.
So mesh bed leveling is like basically like maybe the old-fashioned edges, they only check like 4 points, you know, and with manual, with paper and so on. But this thing just do automatically, like measure some point, like a grit.
Why don't we grab the heated bed and take a look?
So yeah, like these are the magnets, right?
Yep.
So these magnets, we're gonna hold the build plate, like we call it PI plate and so on.
Yep.
And this jigs here is the, you know, to make user easy to like place the plate in position.
These are like guide pins.
Yeah. And I assume, this is the calibration point.
That's right. This is the calibration point.
So is it fully automated?
Yeah. So our engineers are super proud of this. They say it's a 6-point auto calibration system, right? And that means that each head knows exactly where it is. They all work in concert.
Oh, that's awesome. Like 6-point calibration sounds like it's gonna take time, but like the whole process gonna take like several hours or something?
Not at all. So if you're going to do the mesh bed leveling, the auto calibration, and all of the other calibration features, in total, it's going to be under 30 minutes.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's right. And in particular, some of the reviewers were complaining about the speed of the mesh bed leveling. However, in the latest firmware update, our engineers managed to cut that time in half. In half, absolutely. So all of these calibrations are going to be really quick, really convenient, and you can just do them before bed or something like that. Absolutely.
So like, I have a question to you. Like,
sure.
Of course, it has automated calibration, but maybe kind of, you know, I would feel lazy to do that all the time before the print. Like, how often do I have to calibrate a tool changer?
Yeah, you absolutely do not need to calibrate it before every single print.
Okay.
We suggest, of course, if your machine gets bumped really hard,
or like you unbox it for the first time.
Unbox it for the first time. Have you ever lived through an earthquake?
Yeah, Japan sometimes have like, you know, little big earthquake. Maybe that time after that I should calibrate, right?
Sure. After an earthquake, you might want to calibrate it.
Like how often in basically better to do it? Like monthly basis?
Yeah, so the basics are when you first unbox it, if you get a big bump, if you replace a component.
Oh, like change the hot end.
Yeah, change the hot end or something. Yeah, just in case. And then just in case, it's also smart to do the auto calibration once every month or two. Just to be safe.
Because it's just below 30 minutes, right?
That's right. It's really quick.
Just do it. It's better, and
just do it.
Nice speeds.
Absolutely. Okay. Awesome. So we've talked about the hardware, software, and firmware a bit.
Oh, let's take a look at these models.
Look at what actually comes out of the machine.
So let's see this giraffe. So
okay, we got a giraffe.
I can say this one is I'll say it's PLA, right?
It's all PLA except
no, it's all PLA.
It's all PLA.
No, this one is, this one is a TPU, right?
This one is all TPU.
Squishy. Oh,
that's right.
That's
Feel
nice.
that texture. How many? That's right. How many machines can actually print multicolored TPU well?
I don't know. Like there are some printers that can print multicolored TPU, but from my experience, it was not total hassle-free. Like I needed some tweaking.
Yeah.
Or I could optimize the filament paths and so on.
Sure.
But yeah, this one is like 1, 2, 3 color, and I guess the support is PLA, right?
That's a great guess. Yeah, with the 4th tool head, there was PLA support on this particular model.
Yeah, awesome.
Absolutely.
I think that's the benefit from tool changer type of printer.
Yeah, you can mix and match materials. So sometimes you want materials that bond together to give you like just different qualities in your print, and sometimes you want them to not bond very well, so that you can easily remove them. And that's exactly what happened here.
I love this squishy giraffe.
It's fun. It's a great toy
Yeah,
for like a
if
kid.
it's PLA, it's kind of look nice, but like maybe kids or the pets, they don't want to play with super hard stuff, you know?
Exactly. Let's look at another print. What do we got here?
Oh, this one is nice.
Ooh, I do like this. Look at this. This is the Golden Gate Bridge.
It's super detailed print.
Yeah, you can look at these very fine details, these really complex geometries, these really tiny little parts.
So I can assume this transparent squishy material is PVA?
PVA, that's right.
Okay, so like it's, if I remember correctly, this one is like dissolved in the water.
That's right. You pop this in water, maybe 10 minutes, maybe an hour, it depends. You can remove all of your supports without any of the hassle of tweezers or like little weird tools.
No, like think about it. Even if I use tweezer, I think I'm gonna break this one. And the only thing I get is like this basement. Like I will just get full basement, and other than that is
you'll have some beautiful pylons and just a mess of like sticks.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. I love PVA too. I love the machine with PVA because this stuff is actually relatively expensive.
Yeah, it's quiet.
And so if you're doing filament cutting, you're going to be wasting a huge pile of this expensive PVA. With the U1, you're being as economic as possible with these complex filaments.
That's nice.
That's right. You're wasting as little as you need to, and I think it's the way to go. It's the wave of the future. That's right. And what about this third print that we have?
Hey, let me grab it. Oh, this is a nice shoe.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that shoe, man. Oh, man. Do you play sports?
Well, I played tennis long ago, but
sure.
Maybe with 3D printer, like maybe you can customize, the sole bottom shape to adjust with different condition, on the ground or like artificial glasses and so on.
I do see a lot of people printing these like PLA Michael Jordan shoes that look really cool.
Oh, really?
But touch this one.
Oh. I think I can actually wear this one. It's
TPU
and yellow. This is the same as the job. It's PLA support, right?
This is PLA support on the TPU. Like we said, they don't interface very well. So you can crack these right off and have your beautiful multicolored TPU print ready to go.
So with all these gigantic shoes, the waist is only this prime tower.
Just this prime tower. Just this prime tower.
Nice.
That's it. Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
This stuff is fantastic. All right. Shall we move on?
Yep.
All right. Let me see. Smart features. Whew. Speaking of TPU and PVA, and all these complex materials that people love to print with,
Yeah, I think TPU needs some dedication, you know, like it's moisture sensitive, so you have to dry it well before you use it.
You're gonna need a dryer. You're absolutely gonna need a dryer. And with that, I think we should do our second lucky draw.
Let's do it.
Boom. What are we gonna give away?
So like
this time?
It says 3 meters, so only 3 SnapDryer?
Not just 3 SnapDryers, 3 SnapDryer bundles. A SnapDryer bundle is 4 SnapDryer boxes and 1 base unit.
So this is like basically work as container and it works as a heater function, right?
Heating and drying, that's right. You pop this bad boy in here, you dry your filament.
After you dry it,
and then
seal here and just...
That's right, seal it up, pop it on your shelf, and then dry the next one. And you have 4 ready to go. And because the box keeps the moisture out, it'll stay stable on your shelf for quite some time. And the other thing I like about this is we've got this little hole here in the front of the box.
I guess this one is to put the tube.
Exactly. Right? So you can run the tube straight from the SnapDryer box right into your machine so that your filament is exposed to absolutely minimal moisture.
Like this shape, to me, it feels like it's really able to like stack up, right?
It's very easy to stack. A bunch of the beta testers have found a good solution for TPU, PVA, and the other hydroscopic filaments is to remove the spindles.
Can I remove it?
Yeah, pop it out.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, and you can replace it with any other part, hold any size of spool. Or we can just stack up
side by side, right?
Exactly. You can slide these on the side, 2 on one side, 2 on the other, and then you've got really economy space if you live in a small apartment like I do.
Yeah, maybe I also need that too as well.
And then you just pop this right into the machine, and you're ready to go. You're ready to go.
That's awesome.
That's right. What are the technical filaments that you like to print with?
Well, technical filament, maybe I'll go. I sometimes use like nylon.
Nylon. Okay, cool.
Nylon.
Very
Or
cool.
maybe TPU sometimes.
TPU
like for the what you call that, like shock absorbing.
Shock absorbing qualities is really important. Absolutely, absolutely. Nice. Nice. Yeah. So this we're gonna have 3 winners who are all gonna win the combo. But for all the losers out there, you can still be a winner because you can get the SnapDryer combo set for $110.
Okay.
That's right. That's right. And looks like our lucky draw is ready.
Yep.
Let's take a look at who our winners are gonna be.
So please be prepared. Like
be ready.
Be prepared to take snapshot. The method is the same. Take snapshot and send it to info@snapmaker.com.
That's right. Take a snapshot. Send us your account information.
Yep.
info@snapmaker.com. All right. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Like Hilda and Love. Amy Wise, congratulations. Congratulations, Miss Nice. I hope you enjoy your SnapDryer. All right, next winner, next winner, next winner, next winner, next winner. Who do we got now? It's time for Kevin Thornton.
Congratulations.
Good work, Kevin. Thank you.
Don't forget to send email.
Don't forget to send your email. Don't forget to send your email. Number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3. Lucky number 3. Who's going to be the lucky winner number 3? Who's going to? Joe Mama. Joe Mama. I like that name. Joe Mama. Congratulations, Joe Mama. Congratulations, Joe Mama.
Congrats to all 3 winners.
Congrats to everybody. But you know what? If you're watching this stream right now, you're all winners, in my mind, at least.
You know what? There's one more giveaway later, so just stay in the live stream.
One more chance to win. Stay tuned and keep dropping your comments in there. Now we're going to do questions and answers. Questions and answers.
So we got some hackers, right?
That's right. That's right. So right now, this stream is hitting a good time if you're in North America or South America, or if you're an early bird in Asia. But we are missing our friends in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, etc. So I just want to say a quick word. We've collected a bunch of frequently asked questions early.
Okay.
So we make sure we hit questions from our friends in Europe, Africa, Middle East, etc. So we're gonna.
Yeah, I will read the question. So maybe you answer it.
You can read the questions, and I will answer them. Sure.
Okay, then let's go into the first question.
First question. Where's our first question?
Yeah, I want to ask the same. Like, I think the default one is a 0.4 millimeter with a stainless steel nozzle. Like,
correct.
Are you planning to make 0.2, 0.6, 0.8, and also for engineering filament, you're gonna need hardened steel nozzles, for example?
Quick answer.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. We are going to release a whole variety of nozzle sizes and as well as the hardened steel nozzle. I don't have an exact timeline when these products will be available, but good news is we will be also releasing them through third-party suppliers.
I see.
So you're going to be able to get them from Snapmaker, from third parties. You're going to have a huge variety, and they will come in short order. These are not huge technical hurdles.
I see.
But first, we really want to nail the core machine and get it done really, really well.
The Snapmaker default hot end structure is not like an old-fashioned way, right? Like with like separated nozzle, but it's kind of, I think it's like unibody, right?
Correct.
Okay,
it is an It's an integrated piece. We did this because it's the only way to really get the print quality that we needed.
Yeah, and I think it's less maintenance. Like, for example, if the nozzle is separated, like the normal ways, you have to tighten up at the proper strength, and also maybe you have to preheat. Otherwise, the filament will gonna just come out from the in between nozzles and hot end. But with the integrated one,
that's right.
That's not gonna happen.
So it is proprietary, but there'll be plenty of options, and there will be third parties. Just done for print quality.
Nice.
Let's go to the next question.
Yep.
Question
Next
2.
question. Well, yeah, they want to know about the top cover, right? The enclosure options,
Sure,
I say.
the enclosure options, sure. As you have seen on the Kickstarter page, there is a top cover coming that you can already pre-order right now.
I can see that there's a connector prepared for something.
That's correct. There is a connector prepared. The top cover will have HEPA and charcoal filtering.
Like extra safety, you know?
Extra safety, that's right. That's right. So this unit is available to more people. We have a broader audience, I think, than we've ever been able to hit before with our previous products. So we want to make sure that it's as safe as possible. So that top cover is going to keep you safe from fumes and things like that. It's also going to be able to collect heat passively.
I see. So what's the maximum temperature of this? Well, like with this enclosure, what will be the kind of maximum?
It'll go up to 50 degrees centigrade.
I see.
Through passive heating.
Sounds like it's going to help when you're going to put in the ABS or something like that.
Yeah, exactly. So you will be able to use a wider variety of filaments once you have the top cover. We're working on it. There's a couple little design choices to finish making. And like I said before, we really need to nail the core unit first before moving on to those things. So there are a couple of like designs we're working on.
So engineers like now is working hard to make it perfect.
Exactly. Early 2026. Early 2026. Get your machine, play with it, learn the ropes, and then you'll get your beautiful top cover in short order. Absolutely.
I see. Let's go on to the next question.
Question 3. Let's go to the next question.
Yeah. I think this is the questions from all backers, maybe. Like,
that's right. That's right.
Like when they can get the machine.
Okay. 2 days ago, Yuto and I just went to visit the factory.
Yeah, we went to see that. That was the assembly line, right?
That's right. We saw the assembly line. We have some new workers. Everyone is working really hard to get you your machine on time. So real production will start on September 15th. The first run will be ready at the end of September, early October. And then it goes on the boat and starts going to your local warehouse and then to you.
So it depends on their backer options, right?
Correct. Check the FAQ for your exact details because it's different from region to region. But why don't we? You can read the details on the FAQ page.
No, it's kind of like boring.
It's kind of boring, technical.
Yeah.
Why don't we call the factory and see how they're doing in the factory?
Yeah, let's call it.
Let's call the factory.
Yeah.
We got some new employees. Let's call the factory.
Yeah, why not?
Let's see how they're doing in the factory.
Well, to be honest with you guys, it's my first day on the job, and I'm honestly way too busy for all of this. But things are looking really, really good, and I think we should be able to hit that shipping deadline. And then I'm going to go home and read my sponsor contracts a lot better next time.
All right. Thank you, Jonathan, for all your hard work. Make sure to follow The Next Layer on YouTube.
Yes.
A good friend of ours and a really hard worker, I gotta say. We're really proud of his
Assembly
energy.
skills.
His assembly skills. Yeah, he's really good at putting those together. So he's gonna be working around the clock and getting those on the boat straight to you. Fantastic. Why don't we go to the next question?
What's the noise level during the print process? Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know like how loud it is, but I mean, I can tell that there's 4 printers actually running all the time.
Yeah,
like,
right next to us.
Like we're doing live stream right now, but with a 4 printer, like fully printing. So like,
let's shut up.
Okay.
For like 5 seconds.
Okay.
And just, can you hear it on our mics?
Yeah, our mic is here.
It's not that loud. I'm talking to you like at a normal voice. I can hear you fine.
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of same as the other machines on the market.
Same as other machines. If you want a specific number, at 1 meter, it is 55 decibels.
Well, I don't know about what's the 55 decibel, but it sounds like for me it's okay.
It's fine.
Yeah.
It's the same as any other machine. It's not particularly loud, but it is faster, saves filament, and saves money. So you are going to want to back the U1. Noise won't be a problem. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Next question.
Yep. Yeah. I kind of want to know this one as well.
Sure.
Like Snapmaker U1 promos 0 purge. Yeah.
That's right.
And yeah, they're wondering about what's the the tower, the prime tower is.
Sure. Yeah. So this is a question of terminology. We like to talk about purge versus prime. So purge is when your machine, extrudes perfectly good filament into a waste bucket and just wastes filament that you could have used on a great print. Prime is when the filament has been sitting at the end of the hot end and it might have
kind of degraded filament.
It's degraded, so you don't want that in your print. So it has to be extruded into the prime tower. In order to maintain proper pressure in the nozzle and to maintain your print quality.
Oh, I see. To be honest with it, like myself, I often mixed up prime tower, purge tower, purge.
Yeah.
Okay, now I understand that.
So yeah, so as we've always said, the Snapmaker U1 will minimize your wastes. We've never said it'll remove the waste entirely, right? So this is just a question of terminology. Before we started using these words, we actually did a lot of user research, and most people kind of understand purge is perfectly good filament you're wasting, and prime is a relatively small amount of stuff that needs to be extruded to maintain the print quality. I think that's the big difference. We're not wasting good filament. That's right, that's right. So why don't we move on to the next question, number 6.
Yeah. Like printer is a machine, so machine always needs some maintenance at some point in time. Like,
that's right.
How much does it gonna cost? Like, how's it gonna be like the Snapmaker's after service?
That's right. Everything on this printer is designed for reliability. We are designed for more than 1 million tool changes. The nozzle wipers have been upgraded thanks to the beta testers to a more reliable and long-lasting design. There's a ton of really great choices in here to make sure that this is a reliable printer that you can count on. Now, as you said, you will have to replace stuff from time to time.
Yeah.
On our website, you'll find those commonly replaced parts available shortly after launch, and they're all going to be at a very, very fair price. We're not going to do anything exorbitant.
So, for example, like if I spill the water on the tool changer and I burn the circuit board, like can I buy, like new tool head?
You can absolutely buy a new tool head. They're really when you buy it and open it up and install it, you'll see how easy it is to replace even.
Okay.
Because you're just gonna USB filament tube, connect it into the head, and then pop the head into the machine.
Oh, I see.
Really quick and easy process, and also not very expensive. We absolutely promise it will be an affordable machine to run and maintain. No problem at all. Check those prices when they come out. They'll be pretty low.
That's awesome.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So,
do we have another question? One more question from the FAQ, from the early questions.
Oh, how do they become a beta tester, right?
I've been getting a lot of emails on this. Everyone's really excited, and I'm happy about it. If you're excited about U1, there are 2 ways that we generally use to hire beta testers. Number 1, we run contests.
Like a design contest, or like I think you did it for Christmas, Valentine's, that kind of seasonal event, like design contest,
That's right. I have been the game master for the past year, and in addition to fabulous prizes, all of the winners have also joined our beta testing program.
Oh, that's nice.
That's right, because we know that they're good at technical stuff, and they're also good at making videos and pictures, and just all around all the skills you need to be a beta tester, give us really good feedback and help us prepare promotional materials for the product. The second way is just if you're active on our Discord, Facebook, and forums.
Like Snapmaker's community?
Snapmaker community. If you're known in the Snapmaker community, that's a great way to be picked as a beta tester. If you're helping people solve their problems.
Like new guy just started using printer and they're wondering about what should I do with this print setting? Like what's the wall setting? Like what's the layer?
Yeah.
And like people start like replying, oh, layers like this stacked height and so on.
Are you friendly and helpful? And do we know your name? Because we make friends with all the people in our community. I love it when people come to Shenzhen and come and knock on our door and say, hey, I know you from Facebook. Let's meet in real life. But you know what? This is all theoretical. Why don't we call a beta tester?
Oh yeah, like why not call Danny?
Let's call Danny.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's call Danny. Let's call a beta
him.
tester. I think we have a really good beta tester on the line.
Oh, sorry, our earphone is
let's
right
get
over
our,
there. So
let's get our
give us
earphones. One second. We can't hear him yet. Danny on the line.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Hey, Danny. Really good, man. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
How do you feel about U1?
The U1 for me has been one of the most enjoyable experiences that I've had out of the box, especially for price to performance wise. Like I personally have built a tool changer, and to build the cheapest tool changer you can, $800 right now in the Kickstarter or $1,000 MSRP after the Kickstarter is insane for what you're getting with the U1.
Like, what was the main difference between the DIY tool changer and the pre-built U1 tool changer?
Time. I've spent probably 500 hours building my own and tuning it and getting everything ready versus pulling a U1 out of the box and being ready to go in 45 minutes. So yeah.
Oh, wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, for sure.
I do love the DIY stuff. Like no shade on them. It's really cool. You get to learn how it works really well. But for like a normal person printing, I think it's a nice experience, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, DIY is nice, but like maybe you can do it more, but that means like you have to take some more time.
Is it like a full-time job building the DIY machine?
Absolutely. I still am not done building my machine. It's a never-ending task. I will say that.
Well, yeah. Labor of love.
Absolutely.
So, do you have any of your U1 prints handy? Can you talk a little bit more about how it's come out?
So the reason that I love tool changers is because I can do things like HueForges, but this is not just a regular HueForge. This is a HueForge done out of TPU, and
it's
so
multiple TPU HueForge.
So you can do TPU HueForges on any 3D printer, but the problem is you have to babysit your printer. So a tool changer makes that process so much easier. So this was done at 0.08 layer heights with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and then I moved on to 0.04 layer heights.
Wow.
Just to see how good of a blend I could get with the U1. And then today, actually, this is a 13 color print done on the U1.
13 color?
13 colors. Yeah, I was able to pause, unload very easily.
So you did like manual swap?
Yes, but now with the newest firmware update, with the automatic unloading of all the tools at one time and then automatic loading of all the tools at one time, it made the process so much quicker and easier.
Wow. So would you say that our engineers have listened to your feedback and incorporated that, and you're seeing gradual improvement?
100%. Absolutely. They have definitely been listening, and we've had a direct, contact with the engineers in our group chats, and they are definitely taking our feedback. So, and trying to make it as best as they can.
Oh, that's awesome, man. And how did we originally pick you as a beta tester?
So my work in the community, especially with HueForge and doing videos about my tool changer, just having the technical ability to, that I've already messed with a tool changer myself and done multicolor printing. So yeah, that's how I was picked.
Nice. I'll tell you a little bit about the backstory. Is Steve from HueForge came to Japan RepRap Festival.
Yeah.
And Big Boss Sheila at Snapmaker met him there. And he recommended you.
Yeah.
So
that's how I started.
Yes, it actually started through Japan RepRap Festival. Now, normally, like I said, first way, you win one of our contests. Second way, you are in our community actively. But the third way is occasionally, we do pick people for a particular technical skill. And we love HueForge. And when he recommended you, we were like, we got to pull Danny on. He knows tool changers. He knows HueForge. Let's go.
Absolutely.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And now you do. The more you know.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Are we good? Can we say bye-bye to Danny? We'll just do it. Yeah. All right. Danny, really great talking to you. Follow 𝐥𝐸𝐞 Prints on YouTube for more cool stuff.
You're on Twitter as well, right?
You're on Twitter, right?
Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you can find me. I'm on all platforms.
Are you going to be at Japan RepRap 2026?
Yeah, will you come?
Maybe. I'll definitely be in the UK. I don't know about Japan. I would love to come out to Japan.
Yeah, we'll see.
So, yeah,
we've got some time.
Yeah, we do have some time. Absolutely. Thanks, guys.
All right, let's see if we can bring you to Tokyo. I didn't go either last year, so we'll meet there. We'll meet there.
Heck yeah. Sounds good.
All right, man. Have a good one, Danny.
You guys.
Talk to you later. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Cheers. All right, make sure to follow 𝐥𝐸𝐞 Prints on YouTube.
Yeah, check the description.
Check the description, or just look at this name that's right above us here. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. He's got a super cool channel. And back U1 on Kickstarter. All right. What do we got up next? I think it might be time for the big show.
Oh.
Might be time for the big one. The big
I think
one.
everyone is looking for this, right?
I think everyone's waiting for this one. In the chat,
so
hashtag.
Yeah, it's time for the U1 giveaway, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Hashtag I want U1. Do you want U1?
Why not just drop a comment?
Just write that, like, I want U1, because you want U1, right? How many winners are we going to pick? Just one. Sorry, you won. We got to pick one.
You were that one.
You won. If you're going to win, you won. Just one. Sorry about that. But you're going to enjoy it. It's going to be an absolutely fantastic prize. And you're going to get a U1. I think we're even going to airmail it to you instead of normal shipping. We're going to get it.
Generous.
Yeah, it's pretty generous. We're going to airmail it as soon as it's ready. So you're going to get it super early. And we're going to want to see what you're going to print with it.
Oh yeah, like just drop a comment. Like, what do you want to print with U1?
Yeah. Is it multi-material that you're excited about? Is it multicolor?
Or multi-material?
Yeah. Or are you just excited to save some money and get a free printer?
Or just want a first printer?
Just want your first printer. Yeah. Is this your first printer? That would be really cool to get someone their first printer, because I got to say, this thing's really easy to use.
Yeah, like if my first printer was U1, then I think my whole path has been changed.
Yeah.
It's not maybe I was in the, no, I don't know.
It will lull you into a false sense of security. Oh, yeah, I think our giveaway is ready.
Okay. So be
Lucky
prepared.
draw starts now. Are you ready? We got enough people
They
joining?
need to take snapshot.
Take the snapshot.
It's same. Just take snapshot and send email to info@snapmaker.com.
That's right. That's right. With your account information, so we know it's you.
Yeah, maybe. I think it's nice to share social media together.
The big one's coming. Who's it gonna be? 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 Camille Banak.
Congratulations.
Camille. Congratulations. You got U1. You got U1. You just one, but you got U1. Congratulations, Camille. Congratulations, Camille. You're going to have an absolute blast with that. And with that, let me take a big breath, because it's time for Ask Us Anything.
Yeah.
Ask us anything. Ask us anything.
Please ask anything.
Please ask
about U1.
anything about
and,
U1.
We are trying to answer as much as we can.
We'll answer as much as we can. There's a lot of information in the FAQ, but ask us here. Oh, I think we got our first question.
How robust and durable is the SnapSwap tool change system?
How robust and durable is the SnapSwap tool change system in the long term? The answer is quite durable. Quite durable. Add more one. Okay, gotcha. Very durable, rated for up to 1 million tool swaps. Right? We test these things robustly in our factory, and we go absolutely phenomenal with it. Sorry, let me grab my.
Yeah, we need to make sure we are answering in correct way.
So every machine goes through like 10 hours of testing after it's built and assembled, and then all of the designs are rated for 1 million tool swaps. And again, if something breaks, it's really easy to fix and repair. So we're really proud of this machine. It is absolutely top of the line. So let's check out the next question. Will
there be an enclosed
multi-filament management system like the Bamboo AMS series?
Like so far, that option is not available, right?
No, we currently do not plan to release an enclosed multi-filament management system, but we appreciate the feedback, and our engineers will always consider these kinds of ideas and these kinds of options. Absolutely. We're always listening, and we care, and our R&D team is always taking in these ideas. So if that's a huge demand, maybe. Let's go to the next question.
What colors of filament are included in the campaign?
Great question. So the Snapmaker U1 for $799 comes with 2 kilograms of filament.
Oh, it comes with filament.
It comes with filament. 4 rolls, 500 grams each, and that's going to come in red, white, black, and yellow by default. For the filament add-ons, you can get a bundle that's going to come with gray, blue, orange, and green. And if you buy the 8-roll 2 kilogram bundle, it's going to come in white, black, gray, blue, orange, green, purple.
That's a lot.
And brown. That's a lot.
So it's like ready to print package.
Ready to print package. It's really ready to go. Great. Next question. Oh, sorry. Also, our producer. Our producer is currently waving us a flag to tell us good news. We're going to do another giveaway. We're going to give away more filament after the AMA. So keep tuned. Keep those questions coming. Keep those comments rolling. We hear you. We see you. We care. Question 4.
Yeah. They say clipper is like normal clipper or Snapmaker slightly modified clipper.
Snapmaker has slightly modified clipper in order to handle the 4 tool heads, because normal clipper needs a couple of changes to work specifically on the U1.
Oh, you guys
That's a great question.
like these publish it later, right?
That's right. Absolutely, right.
Okay.
So Snapmaker will conform to all of the GPL v3 license as required. No question about that.
Oh, that's great.
Let's move on to the next question. What slicer are you recommending?
It's Orca slicer, right?
That's right. So Snapmaker, we have designed our own branch of Orca slicer called Snapmaker Orca. This is for the best printing experience. You'll get the updates that are U1 specific as quickly as possible. However, we owe Orca Slicer and their team a lot.
Yeah.
So we're pushing all the information back to regular Orca, so you can absolutely use regular Orca Slicer if you just want to use standard Orca Slicer.
So like people tweaking around with two-change printer, they can somehow take benefit from Snapmaker.
Absolutely.
I see.
Very cool, right? Let's go to the next question. Henning Hofer.
Smooth build plate option.
The smooth build plate. It's on the roadmap. So they will come. I don't have an exact date for you. We will share updates with all backers once it's available and the compatibility is finalized.
The current default one is like textured PEI, right?
Yeah, and he's right. You will need that for use with FlatForge. So that is coming, no question. FlatForge also makes really good use of holographic build plates.
Oh.
I don't have that exactly on the roadmap, but you can expect that to come from third parties or whatever. It's not a technical challenge. It's just a build plate. So you can expect that pretty soon. Let's go to the next question. Next question. Mirage Du. Mirage Du.
What nozzle system are the hot end using? Is it unique or some standard nozzle? So let's say if it's nozzle, then it's not nozzle. You know, like it's unified hot end, right?
Yeah, yeah. So while we love, what's the word?
Oh, I think I can show it.
Check that out.
Can you see it? Maybe I need to ask someone to zoom up.
Zoom in. Zoom in.
Is it possible to zoom in to this one?
Can we zoom in here? I think our camera operators are asleep. they're playing on Twitter too much. Your posts are too good, Yuto.
Which is the main camera?
All right, so I'm going to say the U1 has a direct drive extrusion system for precise filament control and improved print quality. The nozzles are unique. I think we talked about this before, right?
Yeah.
So it's not standard. It's not a standardized.
Maybe you can see details on the Kickstarter page, right?
Probably see details on the Kickstarter page. But if we can zoom in here real quick, just to give you a nice view of it. I like how you snapped the cover off. It looks good.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that.
Now you can see, right?
Gorgeous.
So this here is, I say, the whole hot end with integrated nozzle. Let me just snap off that cover.
He's breaking the machine right here. He's tearing it apart. You know, your NDA said you're not supposed to disassemble this.
So here is the AKA nozzle, but the nozzle itself is like unified together with like heating block.
That's right.
So this whole unit will gonna be a replacement.
That's right. This gives us a lot higher print quality than we were able to get.
And I think
with
it's
off-the-shelf
easy to
units.
replace.
Very easy to replace.
You know, swapping the nozzles.
Not terribly expensive either. Yeah. All right, let's go to the next question. Question 8 from Greg Lawson. Greg, hey Greg, thanks very much. What is the lowest layer height that it can print? Snapmaker U1 supports layer heights ranging from 0.08 millimeters to 0.24 millimeters. Our recommended default is 0.2. Does this all sound pretty standard to you?
I guess I think this stands for 0.4 millimeter nozzle.
Yeah.
And maybe with a different nozzle diameter, then this will be changed. But I think if it's 0.4 millimeter nozzle, I think this is standard.
Yeah, so 0.08 is the lowest layer height that it can do. It's a good balance between printing speed and quality, and so that's what we're starting off with. You can always expect updates and cool tweaks in the future, though.
Yeah, like technically, you can go lower.
That's right. All right, let's go to the next.
Around. Yeah, you know.
Play around. Let's go to the next question. Next question. Dr. Nefario, that's a great name. You'll be fully open sourcing your Clipper fork, right?
You gotta do it, right?
That's right. Well, that's a requirement of the license, right? So you have to. So I'll read the full answer if you like. The Snapmaker U1 runs on Clipper firmware with Moonraker for API management. Both have been modified by Snapmaker and are scheduled to be released as open source before March 2026.
Okay.
We also use Fluid as the web client, which we have not modified and can be open sourced at any time. We're currently in a phase of rapid iteration, and additional work is needed to prepare an open source environment that allows users to modify the code and run it properly on the U1.
I see.
Once this preparation is complete, we will release the code completely as promised. Snapmaker has benefited greatly from open source projects, including Orca Slicer and Clipper, and we remain committed to honoring license requirements and giving back to the community.
I think this is the light approach. Like nowadays, like some competitors, I say, is not following the license. Like even though they're using Clipper or Orca Slicer based something, some companies claiming like we developed it. Actually, it's just just put some new UI and some small cores. But I think this is the best. This is what it's supposed to be.
Absolutely. Yep. So a full roadmap for our open source firmware plans and related projects will be published after the Kickstarter ends. We'll get our engineers right on that. You'll have a lovely post about that with full details. Let's move on to the next question. I think that's actually
it's
the last
time
question. Time for the lucky draw.
Additional lucky draw.
This extra lucky draw that I didn't know was happening.
So what they can get? another filament. Okay.
Another filament.
So just drop "I want filament" right now to the comment section.
I want filament. 10 winners. Hashtag I want
extra
filament.
10 winners?
An extra 10 winners. That's a lot, dude.
Okay.
That's a lot. Like I said, 10 is actually my favorite number. So I'm pretty happy we're going with this one.
So just drop your comment right now. And don't miss the chance.
Filament.
And
Extra
be prepared
filament.
to take snapshot.
Free filament. Free filament.
And
filament.
also, just just post what you want to print with filament.
My producer is telling me to keep talking, which is funny because usually she tells me to shut up. So this is a little different and kind of nice, to be honest. Let me take a big sip of water because I'm very thirsty.
Like, what do you want to print with, PLA, for example?
Yeah. My wife is an architect.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So she's really good at 3D design. And so getting into 3D printing has been really awesome for us.
So maybe you want to print like small, like a mini size architecture?
The first thing you might think is that I would want to print like famous buildings. Like
Eiffel Tower or
Eiffel
something.
Tower, Tokyo Tower, Shanghai Tower, all kinds of towers. Love towers. Actually, I really like to play board games. Really complicated, rolling lots of dice, big rulebook board games.
So maybe like small old castles or something?
Yeah, something like
that.
that.
The walls of
That's
castles.
Right. Yeah, printing castles or other stuff, other architecture-related game pieces.
Hey, lucky
we're
draw.
Ready to go. We're ready
It's
to
coming.
go. We're ready to go. Lucky draw starts now. Lucky draw, lucky draw, lucky draw. What you gonna make? What you gonna make? What you gonna make? I really want to know what you're gonna print, and when you print it, I really want you to post in the Snapmaker forums, Discord, and Facebook. Who do we got? Number one, winner number one, winner number one, winner number one, winner number Adam Piskorski. Congratulations, Adam.
Don't forget to send email to info@snapmaker.com.
Color, account info,
Yeah,
all
colors.
that fun stuff. It's, who's gonna win? Salary cat. Salary cat. Is that like a salary man? Salary cat? Salary cat. All right, congratulations, salary cat. I like that name. It's good. Who's gonna win? 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 Juan Carlos Contreras. Congratulations, Juan Carlos. Congratulations. What are you gonna print? Who are you gonna print it for? And do you like long walks on the beach? All right, next person. Next person. Who's gonna go? Who's gonna go? Who's gonna go? Who's gonna go? David Pellegrino.
Congratulations.
Nice. Any relation to the famous water brand? I really like that water. Okay. Who's our next winner? Who's our next winner?
Yeah.
Who's our next winner? 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 Viet An Trong. Viet An Trong. Hey, congratulations, Viet An Trong. Congratulations.
Yes.
What are you going to print, buddy?
Vietnam?
It looks like a Vietnamese name. What are you going to print, buddy? All right. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who's going to win? Who's going to win the next roll of Filament? Jedi Cowboy. Jedi Cowboy. Congratulations. Number 6, Jedi Cowboy.
I think you're going to print lightsaber.
You're going to print a lightsaber? That's right. You're going to cut down the bad guys, right? The bad and the ugly. Here, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who is our next winner? Brett Hodgson.
Congratulations.
Brett Hodgson. Congratulations, Brett. Congratulations,
So
Brett.
how many winners we announced already?
I think we've got 8. We got 8 winners so far. My voice is about to give out. Let's see if I can keep going. Let's see if I can keep going. Is Snapmaker's?
Yes.
We're going to win our own. Ryan Bushmeyer. Ryan Bushmeyer. Congratulations, Ryan. What are you going to print, Ryan? I want to know. I want to see it in the chat. I want to know what you're going to print. I want to see pictures.
So next
I want
is
details.
final?
Number 9. That's
number
number 9.
nine.
That's number 9. You don't know those hand signals. Number 9. Okay. Who's going to print? Who's going to print? Who's going to print? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? What are they going to print? Respectable AI. Congratulations. All right. All right. You're not fooling us. I know you're evil. You're trying really hard, but I know you're still going to get the filament. Congratulations.
You know what? Like the way in China, the counting method is different.
Yeah, they got
Japan. So
number 10. Oh, sorry. This is number 10. 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 Who's got Daniel Luz. Daniel Luz.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Don't forget to write the colors you want.
Do not forget.
What are you gonna print? You know.
What are you gonna print? Who are you gonna print it for? The lucky draw ends now.
Congratulations to all winners.
Congratulations to all the winners. And I think with that, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to wrap up. It's time to say goodbye. First, pop quiz. What are the 3 best things about Snapmaker U1? What are the 3 best things? Go quick, fast.
Save waste.
Okay, sure.
No, save filament.
Save
no,
filament.
save waste.
Close enough. I know what you mean.
Save filament, save time, and save money.
Save filament, save time, and save money.
But I think this all tells you can save a lot of money.
Absolutely. So, yeah,
time is money.
Time is money.
Filament is money.
Filament is money.
Yeah, it's cost.
Money is money.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think you're saving a lot here. You know what? You know who really likes saving money and not having the house filled with garbage? My wife.
Oh.
And you know what they say? They say, happy wife.
Happy life.
Happy life. So I think when you buy the U1, you're really making your spouse happy. And I don't want to discriminate.
And like, I think this really differentiate if you use the printer in long term. Like you don't feel that in maybe 1 month.
Yeah.
You don't feel that much. Like you just buy a filament, just print.
Yeah.
But think about it. You're gonna use this printer for like 1 to 3 or 5 years.
That's right. That's right.
Just think about it. How much you gonna save the filament?
There are a lot of future-proofing elements built into the printer. So we believe there will be the possibility for additional add-ons. Nothing I can talk about, of course.
Okay.
But I want to say that this is a printer that will last. This is absolutely a printer that will last you a long time. If you need to replace little parts, it won't be too expensive. And it's just going to be an absolute revolution for people that like money and like not wasting filament and like having a great printer, you know? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Yuto. Well, oh, what is it? Back us on Kickstarter right now. Go. How much is the printer again right now? If you back us on Kickstarter? Oh, wow.
$799, right?
$799. And how many people have taken the deal so
it's
far?
Like 16,387 people.
16,398 now. Whoa, I think we just saw the number go up, didn't we? Fantastic. And how much money have we pulled in so far?
15 million.
million.
I mean, it's around 60 million already.
It's almost $16 million. That's absolutely huge. We have 21 days to go to still get the $799 deal.
Yeah, like $799. Like the normal price is $999, right?
That's right. Normal is $999 after the Kickstarter.
And right now is $799. So that means you can get extra.
That's right. If you look at the Kickstarter page, you can order the printer and a bunch of other things. The top cover,
like SnapDryer combo.
SnapDryer combo, which is $110.
So even if you buy SnapDryer combo, you'll still have some budget for the extra filament.
That's right. You'll have $90 to buy fantastic filament.
So it sounds like to me, it's like not like why not just buy bucket now?
It's basically free money.
Yeah.
It's basically free money.
You can get free SnapDryer combo and filament.
That's right. It's basically free SnapDryer combo and filament and a fantastic printer. Right on Kickstarter, right today. Back us today. Let's hit 20 million and give everyone a big discount on HueForge. I think we're all going to absolutely love it. I think I'm really excited. And I think, you know, it's going to change your life. It's really going to change your life. That's right. That's right. That's right. What's your next print, by the way? What are you planning on printing?
Well, maybe I'll try to print RC cars.
Oh, nice. That's a good idea.
Maybe for tires, I can use TPU and some other materials altogether.
Actually, there's a great, if you search Duke Docs.
Ah, yeah, I love his model. I mean, I purchased his model.
Really?
That was really nice.
He just printed a fantastic set of Dodge Challengers on his YouTube channel with the U1.
That was really nice.
That's right. He's got like 3 or 4 colors. Fantastic. There's incredible things you can do with the U1, and you should back us today on Kickstarter right now. You should go right now. You should type in www.kickstarter.com, and you should buy a Snapmaker right now. Buy a Snapmaker. Buy a Snapmaker. Buy a Snapmaker. Bye-bye.
It's time to say goodbye.
Let's say goodbye. We'll meet again. Don't know where. Don't know when. We'll meet again some sunny day. You're not singing. Da 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 da. All right, bye everybody. Bye, Snapmaker.
Bye bye.
What is the biggest challenge you find with 3D printing?
Well, definitely speed. The faster the machine goes, the more I can build.
The waste problem. Most multicolor printers on the market are wasting huge amounts of filament.
Materials is the biggest thing. So to be able to create more comfortable and stylish designs, I want a tool that can handle more complex materials at once.
Finally, all these problems have been solved. Introducing the Snapmaker U1 Color 3D printer. A 3D printer that's faster to print, lighter on waste, and costs less to run. Our 4-tool head design skips wasteful filament purging, meaning you can do more with less. That is Snapmaker.
Because of the shape of this robot, I knew right away that it will not be easy to post-process and very time-consuming. But now that I have this machine, I can pull it off very easily.
With SnapSwap, 4 tool heads running different filaments are always on standby, with a new color or material ready to go in under 5 seconds. The result? Faster and more efficient multicolor prints.
U1 can also use special support materials that are super useful for complicated parts. And they are very easy to take off. So satisfying. The machine can support different materials, not just PLA and PETG, but also water-soluble supports like PVA, which make post-processing a lot easier.
This is perfectly good filament, and it's just wasted. I'm a marketing manager at Snapmaker, but also a dad. So, of course, we 3D print at home. But look at all this printer purge. I'm so excited we finally have a solution for you.
4 independent tool heads means no need to flush perfectly good filament. Just snap and swap.
With our machine, I can make as many cool toys and other stuff for my daughter. On top of that, it's easy.
The Snapmaker U1's filament management system automatically handles filament detection and loading. Just pop it in and watch it go. Meanwhile, automatic flow calibration uses a built-in sensor to measure the pressure inside the nozzle and dynamically adjust the extrusion flow to ensure ultra-high print quality.
With the app and the smart features, it really is a plug-and-play device. The whole family loves it.
With my designs, I'm trying to push the boundaries in fashion to innovate. But you can only go as far as your tool allows. Not a lot of 3D printers can handle TPU, let alone multicolor TPU. And the ability to do multi-material has really expanded what I can create. I think this bag is a great example because it goes beyond using 4 colors. Not only am I using them for style, I was also able to directly integrate a different material for the zipper. I would not have been able to do this before. And you'd be surprised how reliable a 3D printer with 4 tool heads actually is.
Our automatic calibration system calibrates XYZ offsets between multiple tool heads, ensuring seamless, repeatable accuracy every time you swap.
As a fashion designer, of course I also love shoes. And 3D printing is a great tool for personalization in general, but for footwear in particular. I'm just dabbling in shoe design myself, but I can see the opportunity. You can 3D print the outsole, the midsole, and the upper with different materials in one go. So I'm so excited to see what shoe designers are going to do with this machine. The Snapmaker U1 opens up this opportunity to explore new garment designs. And I can't wait to see what others will do with these tools in terms of footwear.
My whole family can create memories together. With U1, we can do all of this in a much more sustainable way.
With the Snapmaker U1, makers, cosplayers, and anyone with an idea can bring it to life faster and share it with your friends around the world.
Setup was easy, speed is unbelievable.
It can print high-quality multicolored models while using less filament and save lots of time.
Multi-filament printer with no waste, no time lost.
And my favorite feature is definitely the print speed that the U1 is capable of.
Now print fully assembled, even in multiple materials.
The Snapmaker U1 makes calibrating tool offsets so easy.
Snapmaker U1 changed the game.
Everyone over at Snapmaker, you guys did a phenomenal job.
No matter where you are in the world, we invite you to join us on this colorful journey. Get your Snapmaker U1. Back us today.